Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blast or Digital Wax Break or just an oddball Wednesday. Today we've got the Absolute Baseball 2022 blaster boxes. We get one autograph or one memorabilia per a blaster. So hopefully we get something pretty cool. Before I get to that, you know what you got to do? Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a 10 filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. And this sucker's stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty cards, sketch plates, one-on-ones, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm going to be throwing in a Ben Petrick on-card autograph and a numbered autograph of Brad Chalk. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them and all the other autographs and parallels and good stuff, just leave me a comment below. All right, here we go. Blaster number 1, Blaster versus Blaster. We're gonna see who wins this one. All right, haven't opened up these yet, so this will be my first look at them. All right, there's our packs. All right. Blaster number 1, here we go. There, so we've got an Alberto Pujols, Jacob deGrom, a Stan Musial, looks like a Brandon Crawford, and a parallel Mookie Betts, a rookie class from Philadelphia, Hans Kraus, and we've got a Gary Carter Hall-worthy. It's a cool parallel. Pretty cool. All right, pack number 2. Got a Robbie Ray. Mookie Betts. Wow, Joe Jackson. Shoeless Joe Jackson. Oldie but goodie. Excuse me. Statistically speaking, Manny Machado. Green parallel Ichiro. Garrett Cole. Oldie but goodie, cool Papa Bell. It's awesome. I like how they do the black and white with that. It's kind of cool. Yep, that's our memorabilia. So we'll open that one last. And we've got a Jose Altuve, a Jack Chisholm, Matt Chapman, Kyle Lewis, got a Brian Buxton, green parallel Marcus Semien, and we got a Nolan Arenado, icons. A Cedric Mullins, Anthony Rizzo, Corbin Burns, got a Pete Rose, oldie but goodie, green parallel Trevor Story, a By Storm Pete Alonso, and we've got a Pete Rose parallel. Pretty cool. Met him once when I was a kid. All right. Bryce Harper. And Mariano Rivera. Chris Bryant. Got a Miguel Cabrera. Hall-worthy. Green parallel Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Nice. Goose Gossage and a Kettle Marte. All right, let's see what we get in our ultra cool deluxe memorabilia. Maybe it's a memorabilia autograph. We shall see. We shall see. All right, we got a Shane Bieber, Salvador Perez, Tony Lazzari, oldie but goodie, Fernando Tatis Jr., a Kyle Lewis Extreme Team Green Parallel, Extreme Team Bo Bichette, and we've got a Andrew Jones Absolute Heroes memorabilia worn, game worn material. All right, that's what we got. Let me know what you think in the comments. Who's gonna take this? This is box number 1. Let's see what we get in box number 2. Here we go, box number 2. Blaster 2. Who's winning this? I think if we get an autograph in this one, which I don't think we're gonna get, because that's a really fat pack right there, so that's probably our memorabilia. Maybe it's a memorabilia autograph, an RPA. Ooh, that would be hot stuff. Yeah. What do you guys think? I'm thinking so. Yeah, here we go. And Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Randy Arozarena, a Jordan Alvarez, statistically speaking. Nice. And a by Storm, Pete Alonso. Green Parallel by Storm. Shohei Ohtani. I'm leaning toward Blaster 2. Just because I like Shohei. Pete Rose and Corbin Burns. And it's a green parallel Shohei. So, a parallel. Ronald Acuna Jr., Steve Harlan, got Brian Hayes, a Miguel Cabrera, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Green Parallel, a Goose Gossage, and a Kettle Marte. And we got a Jose Ramirez, a Jonathan India, Sammy Sosa, oldie but goodie, Joe Jackson, Randy Arozarena, I can never see his last name, Mike Piazza, wow, Clayton Kershaw, got an Ozzie Albies, Aaron Judge, hey Jose Abreu, Thurman Munson, Green Historical Duels, Tom Seaver and Mike Piazza. Huh, that's pretty cool. Rookie class, Jake Myers. And a Jazz Chisholm. That's pretty cool. JD Martinez. Corey Seager. Ken Griffey Jr. And an Ivan Rodriguez, Hall Worthy. Green Parallel, Ronald Acuna Jr. Jordan Alvarez, and Mark McGuire. Holy cow. All right, let's see what our memorabilia card is. We've got a Gil Hodges. Wow. Whit Merrifield, a Pete Alonso, a Ron Santo, rookie class Lewis Gill, and what's this? A double oldie but goodie parallel Roy Capanella and Gil Hodges. That's cool. And we've got, back number 2, definitely, or box number 2 definitely takes it. RPA. Wow. Jose Siri. Tools of the Trade. There's his autograph. That is 96 of 99. 96 of 99. Rookie patch auto. Outstanding. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome. Awesome hit. Yes. Sweet hit. That is awesome. What do you guys think? You guys liking these absolutes? Let me know. Got a numbered RPA, so that's pretty badass. Nice. It's very cool. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. And more Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.